All right, today we're jumping into something really cool for anyone who builds stuff with code. It's a totally free, super powerful AI agent that runs right inside your terminal. It's called Pi.
But first, let me ask you something. What if you could build a complete, beautiful, working website with just one single sentence? In plain English. It kind of sounds like science fiction, right? Well, stick around because that's exactly what we're going to see today.
So to really get what makes Pi so special, we got to break down what an AI coding agent actually is. You're going to be hearing this term a lot more, and trust me, it's a huge step up from the usual AI chatbots we're used to. Okay, so think about it like this. A normal chatbot, it spits out text or some code, and then it's on you to copy, paste, and figure out where it goes. But an AI agent, well, it has agency. It's an active helper. It can literally open your project, read the code that's already there, figure out what to do, write the new code for you, and even run the commands to build the whole thing. It's a doer, not just a talker. Now, talking about it is one thing, but you really have to see it to believe it. So let's put Pi to the test right now with a real task, building a website from nothing.
And this is it. Seriously, this is the entire prompt. We're not giving it complicated instructions or technical jargon, just a simple human thought. Create a beautiful, fun website for my AI automation community, AI Profit. Let's see what happens.
And just like that, it's off to the races. Right there in the terminal, you can see it thinking, planning, creating files, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the works. It's building the whole project right there on your computer, and you don't have to lift a finger. So check this out. On the left, that's what we started with, an empty folder, nothing. And on the right, just a few moments later, is a fully working, styled website. It even made a custom logo. That right there is the power of an agent. The change is just, it's instant, it's huge. I mean, that's incredibly impressive, but it does make you wonder, right? In a world that's already jam-packed with coding tools, why did someone feel the need to create another one? What was the big idea behind Pi? Well, the answer comes straight from the creator, Mario Zechner. And it's a frustration a lot of us can probably relate to. Our tools have gotten way too bloated. He said his code editor felt like it had turned into a spaceship, filled with all these features he never used. And worse, every time it updated, it would mess up his workflow. He just wanted something simpler. And so that frustration led to this sort of manifesto for Pi. The whole idea is to fight that complexity. It's designed to be tiny, it's fully transparent, so you know what it's doing. You can extend it however you want, and best of all, it's local, it's free, and it's open source, which means you are in total control.
Okay, so you've seen what it can do, and you know why it was built. Now for the really fun part. Let's look at just how easy it is to get this thing running on your own machine.
And get this, it is ridiculously simple. If you've already got Node.js and Alma set up, it's literally 2 commands in your terminal. That first one installs the agent, and the second one fires it up. That's it. No complicated setup, no config files to mess with. You're ready to go. And here's where it gets even cooler. You actually get to choose the brain that powers Pi. You can use a super fast model from the cloud if you need quick results for a demo. Or, and this is my favorite part, you can run a really powerful model like GLM4 or Qwen 2 completely on your own computer for total privacy. You pick the engine that fits what you're doing. So we've built a website, which is awesome, but an agent like this is no one-trick pony. To really show you what it's capable of, let's throw a completely different challenge at it.
Yep, forget websites for a second. How about a classic video game? And again, look at that prompt. Just one simple sentence. We're not telling it what language to use or how the alien should move or anything. Just the core idea. Recreate Space Invaders,
and boom, just like before, Pi gets it. It immediately starts cranking out the code, the HTML for the structure, the CSS to make it look right, and all the JavaScript for the actual game logic. In just a few seconds, you have a totally playable version of Space Invaders ready to go.
So from a website to a video game, all built from a single, simple sentence. This kind of tool just completely changes the game. It shatters the barrier to just starting something and creating. So the only real question left is, with an agent this powerful and this easy to use, sitting right in your terminal, what are you going to build first?